Hello, good morning. My name is Madhusudan. Coming to my qualification, I did engineering in biotechnology from JNT University, and after that, I did MS from London University. It's in the United Kingdom. Then I finished my course at in year of 2009, and I used to work for various companies as a marketing coordinator. And after that, I came to India to start business. Then I started packaging industry. Then it's successfully completed. Then I started flex industry. Now I started one company that is BioGreen Product Private Limited, supported by ICRISA, ABI Agribusiness ICRISA. So basically, coming to my project, here in my BioGreen product, we procured raw vegetable from farmers, and from there we process will process using international technology, that is ozonization technology, to remove the pesticides and to remove the pesticides and insecticides. Then we pack nicely and will supply to supermarkets. Basic reason why we started this company is to fulfill gap between organic vegetable and normal vegetable, because organic vegetable, if you purchase 1 kg of tomato, it's 100 rupees, and for my product, if you purchase same thing, you can purchase like normal rates what we are available in the market. Thing is, to fulfill the common man to rich man can only bring organic vegetable, but not common man. So our product can use common man with healthy process way. And our motto of this BioGreen project is it's a like pilot project. Here, whatever waste come after processing of vegetable, we are producing biogas. It's from biogas we are generating power. Those power we can using to our company needs. And second, whatever raw material will come after biogas is a two type of manure. One is liquid and solid manure, and liquid and solid manure can use like a biofertilizer, and this biofertilizer can supply to my farmers and poly houses. Because and most important thing is our Telangana government is encouraging poly houses, and they are providing subsidy, and those produce of polyhouse products we will purchase and will success the scheme of polyhouse process. Because when they produce vegetable, if they sell in satisfactory price, then they are the success people, and then automatically is a scheme of the polyhouse is success. So those gap we will fill using our Madhu BioGreen Product Private Limited. Thank you.